Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do review and demo of Consulto. This tool came back for Black Friday AppSumo event. It has great amount of positive reviews and I must say it delivers on its promise. So it is alternative to 3 tools at once, Calendly, Intercom and Zoom. You will be able to schedule appointments. Well, your clients will be able to schedule appointments with you. You will have chat widget available for your website and people will be able to make video and audio calls with you. So Consulto integrates into your website. You will be able to manage appointments and as well you will be able to manage your team members. You will have detailed statistics and here is overview of license tiers. If you have just a small website, maybe a safer choice is to start with license tier 2. But if you have bigger business, then it is better to have unlimited plan where you are not limited on the hours of video and audio conferencing. And it starts from license tier 3 for $289. And you can increase number of team members by choosing license tier 5. Alright, so let me quickly demonstrate you how the widget works on Consulto website. This is the widget. You will be able to select team members, have options to chat, schedule appointment, or use contact form. You can choose another team member. And now let's jump into real-life demo. On Consulto website, you will be given integration code. And if you have a WordPress website, you can just post the script into header using any header-footer plugin. And that's it. And then on your website, like on the example of crowdedlab.com, you will have this widget enabled right away. So now let's actually jump into the live demo. To the right, you can see Crowded Lab website and chat widget. And to the left, it is Consulto dashboard. So when we open a chat, we can start asking some questions. So you will see the live conversation with different guests and identified users. You can reply back. Then you will be able to schedule appointments. Let's say I want a meeting for tomorrow. Let's schedule one. You need to fill the details and then press schedule. Then we have appointment pop-up appearing. We can open that and we can see our scheduled meeting. So that is great. So as well, we can start video or voice call, for example, even without a camera. And you can start chat. And just to remind you, you have all of that integration by simply copy and pasting this piece of code into your website. And that integration code you will be able to find under installation. And you will need just press copy. And that's it. Okay, so let's do a quick overview of some settings of Consulto. We can manage our team members. We can change look and feel of how agent chat looks like, change general info. Regarding communication channels, we can enable more like WhatsApp or Messenger. We can integrate with Google Calendar and fine-tune appointment settings. In the chat settings, we can add some automation, messages, add dynamic form to collect name and email. Also, you will be able to connect payment gateways. So for example, you will be able to accept payments. People will be able to pay you through Stripe or PayPal during your online consultation sessions. You will be able to have additional insights using Google Analytics event. Also, you will be able to add some dynamic forms like before chat session or before video call. With this tool, you can return back to your conversations and you'll see who is actively working with chats. You can check your appointment schedule and you can track your leads. So that is great. All right, so moving to the conclusion. I was amazed how quick and easy the integration was. I just copied the code, pasted it into my website, and it worked right away. So I was able to do video and audio calls from my website to Consulto platform simply by pasting code provided by Consulto. So to some extent, this tool is really an alternative to Calendly, Intercom, and Zoom. Your visitors or clients will be able to schedule events with you through a chat widget on your website and make video calls with you. So if you like this tool, please check my affiliate link in the description. You still have about 5 days until this deal is gone, along with Black Friday event on AppSumo. Also, please give this video a like if you find this content useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.